Prophecy Confirmation with Prophet Siphamandla Horo.
There's a spirit that is attacking you. You need to pray against piles. What you see manifesting there is what you eat. Now it's manifesting in the form of piles. What I'm saying, to be precise, it's like we're eating meat, not just meat, but this was KFC. It was in a dream. Ever since you ate that KFC, after eating that KFC, the Lord colors our cleaner and the now piles manifested. What's it Listen, you are starting to go to the toilet. You want to push, and all that is coming out in your feeling is pain. Wow. What is happening? What did you notice? Any changes? Tell me what is happening there. Following day, you are bathing, you notice that you don't feel those pains anymore. Somebody.